welcome back to my channel. I am Pranjala, and as you read by the title, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a very simple, easy and wearable Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. This is the one, but with two more lip options, so everything will be covered. I have kept the look very simple with minimal products and minimal steps so anyone can achieve it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. Okay guys, so let's start. I've already moisturized my skin. I'm gonna start off with the primer. So this is the primer that I'm using. It's the Inside 3-in-1 primer. I'm concentrating it all over the areas where I have large pores. For the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 228 and 230. I will mix them both to find my best possible shade. And I'm just dotting it all over my face, and after that, I'm gonna blend it out with a buffing brush. Just like so. Do not forget your neck, ears also, because you want to look like the same person, right? Now that we're done, for the concealer, I'm using the Inside 2X Cover Master Concealer in the shade 01. And I'm applying it under my eyes, over the bridge of the nose, around my nose and around my mouth. So yeah. I'm also applying the same concealer over my lids as an eye base for the eyeshadow that we'll be doing afterward. Now it's time to set the face. I'm using this Color Essence HD powder. I will set my entire face but bake under my eyes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so now it's time for the brows. I'm using this angular brush and using the Makeup Revolution X Tummies Tropical Desert palette. Taking the black and brown shade, I'm gonna fill my brows like that. Now I'm taking the concealer again and I will apply it over my brows to give it a cleaner look. And now finally it's time for the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I'm using this angular brush again and taking that chocolate brown shade. You can see it has hit the pan. I'm gonna make a liner out of it, a very smoked out liner. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm making a wing liner with the eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm kind of stamping the eyeshadow and not dragging it. It will give a crisper wing look, and also I'm dragging it inwards, to give it a smoked out liner effect. And now I'm taking this red lipstick from Mars in the shade 10 and I will use it to smoke out the liner even more, and it will also give a very nice transition to the lids. So yeah, I'm taking this on a round blending brush and will also smudge the liner very nicely. If you make any mistakes, you can clean it up, so don't worry. Now I'm taking this kohl pencil from My Glam in the shade Noir and I will use it in my waterline. And now I'm taking the red lipstick again to kind of smoke out the kohl that we applied in the waterline. And now finally it's time to dust off the bake. I'm using the same brush that we also use for foundation. So it's a multi-purpose brush. You can use it for literally everything except the eyes. And now I'm taking this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and I will coat my lashes with this one. I'll apply the mascara pretty generously because I'm not gonna apply falsies. But if you're interested, you can definitely go ahead and apply the falsies. For the blush, I'm using this Mars lipstick in the shade 13. This is a nice peach shade and I thought it will go nicely with the look. So yeah. It's time for the highlighter. I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter, my ultimate favorite. So I'm going to use it over the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, basically the point. The cupid's bow, forehead and also chin. And now I'm taking this highlighter on a very small precise brush and I will use it in the inner corners and also to highlight the brow bone. To set the whole makeup in place, I'm using this ADS makeup fixer. Shake it nicely and then use it. And then just let it dry. Once it's done, it's time for the lipstick. So I'm going to show you guys 3 options. So let's just move on to the very first option. So for option number 1, I'm using this My Glam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Lip Crayon in the shade Passion. And this is a nice nude option to go for. But yes guys, if you're using this, just keep in mind that this is not transfer proof and smudge proof. So you might just powder over it, so just to make it kind of matte and also transfer proof, because it is not and it can be a blunder sometimes. So yeah, keep that in mind. Now let's move on to the option number 2, but before that, let me just remove the lipstick and powder it. So yeah, when that's done, now let's move on to the lip option number 2. So for that, I'm using this Mars lipstick. Again, this is the same lipstick we used for the blush, shade number 13. This lip option is also on the nude side. So yeah, I'm topping it off with the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte lip color in the shade 11. This will not only give a nice finish to the lips, but also it will make the lipstick transfer proof and smudge proof. Now it's time for the third lip option. Again, I'm removing the lipstick. देख लो कितनी मेहनत लगी है, like करके जाना, okay? Now let's move on to the third lip option. I'm keeping it really simple. This is a nice basic red lip option on the Valentine's Day. So yeah. We have also used the same lipstick for the eyes. So yeah, this is in the shade 10. And that's done. That's the end of our look. Let me know how you like it. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And do let me know in the comment section which lip option did you like the most. And also if you will wear this look outside, if not on Valentine's, some other day. Yeah, and also if you like this video, you know what you have to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit that bell notification icon so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram for more updates. Like I post regularly there, so you can follow me. Yeah, the link will be in description and handle on the screen. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Until then, please take care of yourself. Yeah guys, that's it. Bye.